Alright, here's that cow removed. So you can see the drawbar is easy to get to and desolder and solder back on. We're going to solder with some good solder. We'll get every bit of that solder we can out with the gun. And this is the gun. It's a Hakko. I don't know what model it is. FR301. And it is a joy. A joy. Just so all you do is heat up solder like you're soldering, and pull the trigger, and it'll get it nice and hot. Pull the trigger. See? I mean, it is nice. Need to get my pick and get that last little bit of old wire from back in the day out. There she goes. All right, the Hakko. I like her. All right, thank you.